नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अफेयर्स में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम अगस्त सेकेंड वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। दोस्तों, अगर आप हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो बैंकिंग अफेयर्स ऑफिशियल चैनल आईडी है, उस पर आप जाके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और मैं इसको पिन कमेंट सेक्शन में भी पिन कर दूंगा, जिससे कि आपको चैनल का लिंक मिल जाएगा। ओके, चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच आई टी फर्म टू हिट रेट 3 ट्रिलियन मार्केट कैप? सो दिस इज HCL Tech। ओके, HCL Tech। अगला, द बुक टाइटल एक्लरेटिंग इंडिया 7 years ऑफ मोदी गवर्नमेंट रिलीज बाय विच लीडर? सो दिस इज आवर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एम वेंकैया नायडू। ओके, एम वेंकैया नायडू। नेक्स्ट, विच बैंक MOU विद इंडियन नेवी टू इनिशिएट ऑनर फर्स्ट बैंकिंग सॉल्यूशन? सो दिस इज IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक। ओके, IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक। Which bank MOU with Paralympic Committee to provide financial assistance to athletes in Tokyo? So this is Indian Bank. Okay, Indian Bank. Which country organized IPSA Tourism Minister meeting through virtual platform? So this is India. Okay, IPSA stand for India, Brazil and South Africa. This is a group of 3 nations. So this group organized various ministerial meetings. So this is the tourism minister meet. This year India is president of all these meeting. Okay, India. Okay, so correct answer is India. Next, what is the retail inflation in July mainly due to soften of food prices? So this is 5.59%. Okay, 5.59%. Next, which Indian airport best airport as per the 21 Skytrax World Airport Award list? So this is Delhi Airport. Okay, Delhi Airport. Delhi Airport also called Indira Gandhi International Airport. Okay, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Which city has been declared as India's first Water Plus certified city under the Swachh Sarvekshan 2021? So this is Indore. Okay, Indore. Indore is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Madhya Pradesh. Next, who has been appointed chairman of National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority? So this is Kamlesh Kumar Pant. Okay, Kamlesh Kumar Pant. Next, Indian Air Force built one of the world's highest mobile ATC tower in which state? UT. So this is Ladakh. Ladakh. लद्दाख में भारतीय वायुसेना वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा हाईएस्ट मोबाइल टावर ATC मोबाइल टावर बिल्ड कर रही होगे, बना रही है। अगला क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द फर्स्ट ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ कैसीफाई द री कॉमर्स मार्केट प्लेस? सो दिस इज राजकुमार राव। ओके, राजकुमार राव। नेक्स्ट, Amazon Web Services is chosen as the cloud provider to strengthen AI powered banking by which bank? So this is RBL Bank. Okay, RBL Bank. Which of the following unveiled Digital Prayas, an app-based digital lending platform to facilitate entrepreneurs from low-income groups? So this is by SIDBI. SIDBI, Small Industry Development Bank of India. The headquarter of this, Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and CM of UP is Yogi Adityanath, and Governor of Uttar Pradesh is Anandiben Patel. Okay, Anandiben Patel. Next question, what is India's rank in Global Youth Development Index? So this is 122. 122. Next question, who has been robbed by for banking fraud awareness campaign? So this is Neeraj Chopra. Recently, Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in javelin throw in Summer Olympic, which is held in Tokyo. Okay, Tokyo. Next question, how many awards Nagaland received under Vandhan Annual Awards 2021? So 7 awards. So Nagaland received 7 awards under Vandhan Annual Award 2021. Okay. RBI has announced to levy penalties on bank in the event where ATMs run out of cash. This will come into force 1 अक्टूबर 2021। मान लीजिए आप एटीएम में पैसा निकालने गए, वहाँ पर पैसा नहीं है तो बैंक पर पेनाल्टी लगेगी। वो 1 अक्टूबर से ये सुविधा लागू कर दिया जाएगा। ओके, अगला क्वेश्चन, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इंक्रीज द लिमिट फॉर कोलेक्ट्रल फ्री लोन टू सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप अंडर द डे NRLM. What is the new limit? So this is 20 lakh. Okay, 20 lakh. Next, headquarter of International Union for Conservation of Nature. So this is Gland, Switzerland. Okay, Switzerland की Gland city में. Okay, e-Nagar app and portal launched by which state for various taxes like house tax, other tax. Okay, so this is launched by Gujarat government. Okay, Gujarat government. Next, which organization has approved loan worth $300 million for Maharashtra Rural Connectivity Improvement Project? So this is done by Asian Development Bank. Okay, Asian Development Bank. Where is the headquarter? It is Manila, Philippines. Okay, Manila, Philippines. Okay. Next, which state MOU with Walmart Verdi and Quadrachak to help MSME product to move international market? So this is Haryana. Okay, Haryana. So Haryana government and Walmart and Quadrachak to help MSME product for move international market. Okay. Next, who first state to implement national education policy? So this is Karnataka. Karnataka first state in the country to implement national education policy 2020. Second state is Madhya Pradesh. Recently I got news from sources. Okay, next question. Which Indian cricketer has entered into a 3-year partnership with Homeland? So this is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, MS Dhoni. Next, Union Minister Birendra Kumar launched which portal and app to promote skill development? So this is PM Dutch. Okay, PM Dutch. So we covered in this video all August 2nd week current affairs, most important MCQ. So thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day. If you find it relevant, please subscribe and share with your friends who preparing for IBPS and various other banking exams. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day. Thank you.